Napa Valley, California is a dream destination for wine aficionados, food lovers, and anyone seeking an exquisite blend of luxury and nature. Nestled in the heart of Northern California, this picturesque region is renowned for its rolling vineyards, world-class wineries, and breathtaking landscapes. This travel guide will take you on a journey through 12 must-visit attractions, offering a comprehensive and engaging exploration of what makes Napa Valley a premier travel destination. First, embark on a journey aboard the Napa Valley Wine Train, a historic and luxurious way to experience the valley's beauty. This vintage train offers plush seating, intricate woodwork, and panoramic views of vineyards and hills. The highlight is the multi-course gourmet meal prepared on board by expert chefs, featuring fresh local ingredients paired with fine wines. The train also offers packages with exclusive tours and tastings at prestigious wineries like Gergich Hills Estate and Raymond Vineyards. Next, visit Castello di Amorosa, a stunning 13th century-inspired Tuscan castle and winery in Calistoga. Built by Dario Satui, this architectural masterpiece features a drawbridge, moat, defensive towers, and a grand hall adorned with frescoes. The wine tasting experience here is exceptional, with a range of estate-grown wines to sample in atmospheric tasting rooms. Guided tours provide insights into the castle's construction, history, and the winemaking process. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Napa Valley State Park offers a serene escape with towering redwoods, tranquil streams, and miles of hiking trails. Spanning over 1,900 acres, the park provides diverse landscapes from dense forests to sunny meadows. Hike trails like the Coyote Peak Trail for panoramic views and explore historic sites like the Pioneer Cemetery and Bale Grist Mill. Camping overnight at the park's campsites or historic cabins offers a truly immersive experience. Food lovers should not miss Oxbow Public Market in downtown Napa. This vibrant marketplace is a hub of culinary activity, featuring gourmet foods, fresh produce, and artisanal products. Start with a fresh oyster platter from Hog Island Oyster Company. Then savor wood-fired pizzas, sushi, and artisanal cheeses. The market also offers cooking classes and demonstrations by local chefs, providing an opportunity to learn new skills and recipes. A visit to Robert Mondavi Winery is essential for any Napa Valley itinerary. Founded by Robert Mondavi in 1966, this winery is known for its high-quality wines and beautiful estate. The Spanish mission-style architecture sets the stage for an elegant experience. Guided tours of the estate and vineyards offer insights into the winery's history and the winemaking process. Wine tastings include Robert Mondavi's renowned wines, and the winery also hosts food and wine pairing sessions and seasonal events. For an unforgettable experience, take a hot air balloon ride over Napa Valley. This early morning adventure offers a unique and breathtaking perspective of the region. As the balloon floats above the vineyards, enjoy stunning 360-degree views of the landscape. The tranquility of the flight, combined with the golden light of sunrise, creates a magical experience. After the flight, many operators offer a traditional champagne toast and breakfast. The Culinary Institute of America, CIA, at Greystone in St. Helena is a must-visit for food enthusiasts. This premier culinary school offers public tours, cooking classes, and dining experiences. Explore the historic Greystone building with its impressive stone architecture and beautifully landscaped grounds. Participate in hands-on cooking classes and enjoy a farm-to-table dining experience at the on-site restaurant. Sterling Vineyards in Calistoga offers a unique wine tasting experience. Begin with a scenic aerial tram ride providing stunning views of the vineyards and countryside. The self-guided tour takes you through the winemaking process and culminates in a tasting of Sterling's exceptional wines. The views from the panoramic terraces are breathtaking, making this a perfect spot to relax with a glass of wine. The Napa Valley Vine Trail is a fantastic way to explore the region by bike. This multi-use trail spans over 47 miles, connecting Vallejo to Calistoga. The trail passes through picturesque vineyards, charming towns, and beautiful landscapes, providing ample opportunities to stop and explore. Bike rentals are available, and many wineries along the route offer bike-friendly amenities, making it easy to combine a leisurely ride with wine tasting. Domaine Carneros in the southern part of Napa Valley is renowned for its sparkling wines and Pinot Noir. The winery's stunning chateau, inspired by an 18th century French chateau, is a sight to behold. Enjoy guided tours of the estate, learning about the traditional methods used to produce their sparkling wines. The tasting experience on the elegant terrace overlooking the vineyards is exceptional. The Napa Valley Opera House in downtown Napa is a cultural gem offering a diverse range of performances, from live music and theater to dance and comedy. The historic building, constructed in 1879, has been beautifully restored and features a state-of-the-art performance space. The intimate setting and excellent acoustics make it a perfect venue for enjoying world-class entertainment. Finally, the Napa Valley Museum in Yountville offers a fascinating look into the region's history, art, and culture. The museum features rotating exhibitions showcasing the diverse heritage of Napa Valley, from its indigenous peoples and early settlers to its rise as a world-renowned wine region. The museum's permanent collection includes artifacts, photographs, and artworks that tell the story of Napa Valley's rich past. Special events, lectures, and workshops provide additional opportunities for learning and engagement. Napa Valley, California offers a wealth of experiences for every type of traveler. From the luxurious Napa Valley wine train and the medieval charm of Castello di Amorosa to the serene beauty of both Napa Valley State Park and the vibrant culinary scene at Oxbow Public Market, there's no shortage of attractions to explore. Whether you're a wine enthusiast, a food lover, a nature explorer, or an art aficionado, Napa Valley promises to engage, inspire, and delight. Pack your bags and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through the heart of Napa Valley.